In order to perform a test, you will need the following: 9cm aluminum dishes, 9cm round sample pads, and a pipette. We will be using eggs to perform this sample test. To begin, open the lid, hit tare. Once the scale has been zeroed out, grab 2 sample pads and 1 aluminum dish. Place one of the 2 sample pads onto the pan holder, then place the aluminum dish on top, then the second sample pad into the dish. This will make the next step much easier. Close the cover to automatically tare. Using a pipette, apply between 2 to 3 grams of your sample product. For liquids, apply in a circular motion to ensure an even covering of the sample pad. Next, pick up your aluminum dish and the sample pad underneath and place that sample pad on top of the aluminum dish, creating a sandwich. This will ensure as much moisture is evenly absorbed into the sample pads, and test results will stay as consistent and accurate as possible. Place the aluminum dish back onto the sample holder. Close the lid and the MB62 would automatically begin the drying process. If the drying process does not start automatically, you can press the third button from the left to begin drying. During the test, an LED light indicator will let you know where in the test the unit is. A green light means that the test is complete. An orange light indicates the test is ongoing and the heater is on. A blinking yellow light indicates the high temperature warning when above 60 degrees Celsius. And a blinking red light means an error has occurred. After a few minutes, depending on your drying parameters, the sample will be completed by indication of a high-pitched beep every few seconds, as well as a flashing number display. Now you can dispose of your sample and run another test.